Grammalogues Phonetically Part 3. First grammalogue is thank, thank, thanked और think. So outline जो बनेगा वो सेम होगा but position will change. So thank जो है ये हमारा फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आएगा. So outline ये हो गया thank. Okay, then think and it comes on the line think. Next is though. Next is third. So third th with r hook. ठीक है, third. Next though comes in first place, then this is though. ये हमारा लाइट है and this is in dark. ठीक है, though. and them. Next is those, thyself, this or thus. So for those, th and s, those और thyself दोनों के लिए सेम आउटलाइन. नेक्स्ट इज दिस. So this on the line and thus cut the line. ठीक है, those, thyself, this and thus. Next is themself on the line with large circle. Themselves. Next is their or their on the line their. ठीक है, in dark. Next is with, in, with and in, and. Third place southern. Second place as southern with and hook. Next is that or without. That in half length above the line and without half length on the line. Therefore in double length, therefore and cut the line. Has, as, similar outline for both the words and it comes on the above the line in first position. So अगर has आए या फिर as आए, then we make the circle as above the line. His is, circle as on the line. First st का loop. First. Next is was. This is was. Next is whose. Then for whose, cut the line. Shall or shalt. Same outline. ये हो गया shall और shalt के लिए and for wish के लिए cut the line. Next is wished. So for wished half length of wish. Next is selfish or selfishness. On the line, S, selfish और selfishness दोनों के लिए सेम ही आउटलाइन आएगी. सर्कल S and then SH. Next is sure. SR, sure. Cut the line. Next is short in half length. Usual or usually on the line. Next, pleasure on the line. Me, am above the line, and for him on the line. Then myself or himself. So for myself, we make the outline above the line on first place, am with circle S, and himself on the line. Similar outline, but the places are different. Next is most, M and ST का loop, most. Next is more or remark and remarked. So दोनों के लिए similar outline. More above the line. Okay. ये आउटलाइन हम यूज करेंगे मोर, रिमार्क्ड और रिमार्क के लिए, एंड फॉर मिस्टर एंड मेयर ऑन द लाइन. सो ऑन द लाइन. ठीक है, फॉर मिस्टर एंड मेयर on the line. So this is our third part of Grammalogues phonetically.